Hi guys! In today's video, I'm showing you how can you all delete your Instagram Reels with single tap. The process will be quite simple and easy. The first thing is open your Instagram app. Once it will be open, tap on your profile icon, which is at the bottom right, and tap on these three lines, which are at the top right, and tap on the second option, your activity. From here, scroll down. And here is the option Reels. Tap on this one. I only uploaded 2 Reels on my Instagram, so here are only 2. From here, tap on this option select, which is at the top right. Now select your all Reels. Like I select these 2 because I only have 2. Your all Reels will be show here if you have more than 50 or 100. So after this, the last thing is tap on the option delete. And tap on the option delete. When you will tap on the option delete, then you all Reels will be deleted with a single tap on Instagram. So by using this method, you can delete your all Reels on Instagram with single tap.